In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personalized AI assistants using Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, you will need to head over to the Google Gemini platform. If you're wondering why this is essential, let me explain. Gemini is a powerful tool that allows you to create custom AI assistants tailored specifically to your needs. So whether you're looking for a writing editor, a cooking coach, or something unique to your workflow, Gemini will provide you with the flexibility and customization options to make that happen. To get started, the first step involves leveraging the Gems feature. You'll create your personalized AI assistant by setting up a custom name, writing specific role instructions, and uploading any reference files that you might need. A well-defined setup makes a world of difference in how effectively your assistant functions. Once you've got that in mind, navigate to the Google Gemini web app. Along the left-hand side panel, you'll want to click on the Gems or Gem Manager option. This is essentially your control center for managing all your AI creations and getting started with building something incredible. Ready to launch into action? Click the New Gem button. This opens the Builder panel, where you'll see an instruction area on the left and a live preview window on the right. It's a very intuitive interface, so you shouldn't have any trouble getting used to how everything is organized. This setup allows you to see changes in real time and understand how your commands translate into actions your assistant will take. Now comes the fun part, naming and describing your assistant. Create a clear, specific name like writing editor or cooking coach, depending on the function you envision for it. This name should resonate with what you expect your assistant to do. And don't forget to provide a concise description that tells you exactly what your assistant's purpose is, ensuring you can quickly recall its role whenever you access it later. Next up, you'll want to define your assistant's persona. This is where you write detailed instructions about how it should respond. Articulate the tone, style, and specific tasks you want it to handle. This step is crucial because a well-defined persona means fewer misunderstandings later on. If you're having trouble articulating your rules, you can use the Magic Wand tool in Gemini to help you expand and clarify your instructions further. Once you have your foundation set, it's time to enhance your assistant's knowledge base. You can upload reference documents, text files, or PDFs, up to 10 files. This way, your assistant will base its responses strictly on the data and information you've provided, ensuring accuracy and relevance in its replies. After completing those steps, it's time to test out your creation. Utilize the preview box on the right to try out different prompts. This is the testing phase, and it's important to ensure everything is working as intended. If you find that your assistant is responding well to your instructions and delivering the information you need, great. When you're satisfied with how it's functioning, click the Save button to add your custom assistant to the sidebar. This makes it easily accessible for you whenever you need it. Congratulations! With that last step completed, your personalized AI assistant is ready. You now have an AI that understands your unique workflow and tone, making your tasks even more manageable. It's a fantastic way to improve productivity and have a little help tailored specifically to your needs. That's all for this tutorial on creating personalized AI assistants with Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy creating!